Are you looking for the best projector under $600? In this video we will look at some of the best projector under $600 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson VS260. The projector has 3300 lumens brightness, making it perfect for viewing even in well-lit rooms. It also has a contrast ratio of 150:1, giving you sharp and detailed images. It has a native resolution of 1024x768, making it perfect for HD and regular viewing. The Epson VS260 is 3D, ready to experience immersive content with the right glasses. The projector also has an HDMI input, which makes connecting devices easy. The Epson VS260 has a solid build quality and performance. The projector is designed to be durable and resistant to dust, which helps protect its internal components for a long time. Additionally, the projector's 3-chip 3 LCD technology produces bright and clear images that can easily fill up any big screen or wall without losing picture quality. The projector's lamp has a long life, so you don't have to worry about frequent bulb replacements. Finally, the Epson VS260 has good input lag times, making it great for gaming or watching movies and TV shows without any delay. Lastly, the Epson VS260 has a long life lamp lasting up to 10,000 hours in eco mode. Number 2. BenQ HT2050A. The BenQ HT2050A projector is one of its class's most advanced home theater projectors. Featuring a full HD 1080p resolution, 2200 ANSI lumens brightness, and 150:1 contrast ratio, this projector provides a sharp and detailed picture for any size room or viewing environment. This projector can project large images up to 300 inches diagonally from 10 feet away, making it an ideal choice for movie nights with family and friends or larger church gatherings and business presentations. The built-in Rec. 709 cinematic color ensures natural colors that are true to life and compatible with other HD TV standards, such as HDR and 3D content. The 1.3x zoom and vertical lens shift allow you to adjust the size and placement of your projected image without distorting the picture quality. With its low input lag of 16 ms, you can enjoy fast-paced action without noticeable delay. It also features specialized game modes such as FPS and RTS, which optimize the picture quality and reduce motion blur to give you an advantage over your opponents. The fast mode feature ensures you can switch between different sources quickly and easily, giving you more time to focus on your game. Number 3. XGIMI Elfin Mini Projector. The XGIMI Elfin Mini Projector is a powerful portable projector that provides amazing home entertainment in any room. This pocket-sized device can project an image up to 150 inches in size with a maximum brightness of 800 ANSI lumens, making it ideal for both movie nights and gaming sessions. The vivid images are provided by the Texas Instruments DLP IntelliBright technology, which ensures a perfect balance of color, contrast, and brightness. The Elfin also features an integrated Harman Kardon sound system that delivers full-range audio with clarity and depth to boost the viewing experience. It also supports up to 4K UHD resolution to enjoy high-quality visuals from your favorite content sources. Additionally, this device comes with a remote control that allows you to navigate the projector's menu and adjust settings easily. It has a superior LED lamp that lasts 25,000 hours, so it can be used for many years without needing to replace the bulb. Additionally, this projector has a low fan noise of only 25 dB, so you won't be distracted by loud noises while watching movies or playing games. Number 4. Epson EpiqVision FlexCo FH02. The FlexCo FH02 projector is the perfect tool for anyone in need of a compact, portable projector with advanced features. With its slim design and ability to be carried around easily on the one hand, this projector offers great versatility and convenience when streaming content from your laptop or phone. The built-in HDMI connection lets you directly connect to any device, meaning no cumbersome cables or adapters to carry around. Plus, it features an intuitive touch panel that allows you to control every function easily. In addition to its portability, the EpiqVision Flex Co. FH02 also has amazing picture quality thanks to its native 1080p resolution and impressive 3000 lumen brightness rating. With its high contrast ratio, you can expect deep blacks and vibrant colors. Moreover, the Epson 4K enhancement technology can display content up to 4 times sharper than traditional HD resolutions. It also supports HDR10 for an even more lifelike image quality. Number 5. Optoma GT780. The Optoma GT780 projector is a powerful home theater projector that packs all the features you need to create a stunning cinematic experience. It has a bright 3800 lumens of clear white and color brightness, allowing for beautiful picture quality even in brightly lit rooms. Its simple setup allows for quick installation and easy use with its intuitive, user-friendly controls. This projector also comes with exclusive technologies like DLP registered trademark symbol link trademark symbol 144Hz 3D, ready technology for perfect 3D viewing, color mode for optimized viewing modes, and perfect fit 2 technology which automatically resizes images to their native resolution. The Optoma GT780 projector is the perfect tool to make your gaming experience immersive with its big screen capabilities. It can project up to 300 of the clear, vivid picture with its high resolution of 1080p and 25,000:1 contrast ratio. Its autofocus feature ensures that the image stays sharp throughout long gaming sessions, and its low latency mode reduces input lag, enabling smooth and responsive gaming. Also, it can project a 120 image from approximately 4.4 feet away, making it ideal for those with limited space or who want to make the most out of their home theater setup. Using its short throw distance, you can place the projector closer to the wall and still get a detailed picture that enhances your viewing experience. The projector is also equipped with a 1.3x zoom and vertical lens shift to give you even more flexibility when setting up your home theater.